Okay, ready?
Ready? No!
Oops.
That's a bad one. Where'd you break the top? And break the icing. Can I?
Okay, maybe it won't work.
You gotta stay there till. Oh, it's not working.
There you go.
Oh my god! Okay, yay! Excuse me, Mom. I want this piece. Here, Bradley. Yay! Everybody's crowding it.
Whoa. You guys are like monsters.
No. This is like for me. You can taste it. Do you want to taste the gingerbread at least? I don't think I'll do it. It's really good. Look at my big. Oh, look at this. It's because of these. Swedish fish. We got a whole pack. We got a whole bag full of packs.